Frenchie for scale. Hi, I'm Kendall. Welcome to my front yard. Today we're going to be putting together 3 raised beds from Epic Gardening. I haven't seen any other videos yet putting these raised beds together or showing that process, so I figured I would just try to capture that for you really quick today. Thanks for joining me. Step 1, recommended to assemble on a hard level surface. We're not doing that. I guess I could lay the cardboard out. Hold a panel in each hand, place the 3 male clips through the rest onto the opposing female cutouts. Push the panel down on the female cutout until you hear it click on all 4 walls. So helpful. Oh my gosh.
Lighter on this side.
Yeah. Okay. See the little hooks. Something like that. You cannot lick my microphone. Okay, I hope that video was helpful. Pua was not super helpful, but he's cute. So it's nice that we didn't need any tools to put them together, although having a mallet was really helpful to save hands from having to hit those corners together. And you can stack them. So they have these holes in the bottom and they come with a kit of screws and bolts to put them together if you want them to be taller. So we might think about that for this space. Do you like them this height? Yeah, we'll probably keep them this height. I have an affiliate code below, Kendall for Epic Gardening, if you want to check out these raised beds for yourself. I hope that was helpful. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, and I hope to see you again in the next video soon.